Good afternoon. We're here at Qualeza Electrical Contractors in Germiston, where we had a query for an inverter system to help them with power outages. The cost saving side of the electricity, generator running cost was extremely high. Did some investigations. We saw that we can help them with a 30 kilowatt Fox system, 40 kilowatt battery capacity and 30 kilowatt solar capacity. With this system, we took them 90% off the grid, giving them a fantastic saving on the electricity cost. We also integrated the generator to help them where all the stars align and you don't have Eskom supply. The generator will kick in automatically to help boost the batteries, and you also cut on the running time on the generator, which give you an extra savings. Because we don't have a north-facing roof, we went on an east-west facing roof. That gives you another advantage where you get a very early generation on your solar panels and a late afternoon generation, which helps to get better productivity. So we ticked all the boxes, all the problems that was there with the unstable grid supply, the cost of electricity and the cost of the generator. We cut all of those costs. With a 10-year backup warranty from the Fox team on the batteries and on the inverter, the client have peace of mind that everything is covered.